Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to jump back into Ideogram 4. I know my last video covered this as well, but I was really just jumping into it at that point. And I didn't really know how far you could push this model or what it was really about. We were just doing some simple text to image work. You can go back and watch that video and compare it to this one. It might be kind of funny because I have found out how good this model actually is, how fun it is, and some really cool workflows that allow you to really harness your creativity and customize your image however you want. This is some of the most control I've actually seen in any ComfyUI workflow that I can really think of. I mean, this is kind of close to closed source at this point. I haven't been getting results that I like as much as Z-Image. The control in Ideogram 4 is certainly unmatched at this point. So what we're looking at here is a free workflow that I found on CivitAI by a gentleman named Deno 2026, I believe. You can get this for free. I will also upload this onto the Small Zero website along with all the links that you need. So I'm not claiming that this is my workflow or anything like that. I just know my members like to use my website as a hub for whatever I'm showing on the YouTube channel, but you can check it out and support him here. You're also going to need to head over to his GitHub, and you're going to install this custom node that he's developed. So you can get everything that you're seeing in this ComfyUI workflow, so the director and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to go through that in a second. I did have one thing to advise you on, though, because people always ask me, oh, I'm getting errors trying to install this. And, what's the easiest way to install a ComfyUI node? What you want to do is actually just get any AI agent, Codex, Claude, whatever you're using, and point it towards your ComfyUI folder and ask it to install the GitHub. It's going to find all the dependencies. You're not going to have any issues with breaking your ComfyUI install or anything like that. And it'll install it perfectly for you. It took me about 3 minutes to get this installed. So before I started this video, I was just playing around with this workflow a little bit. And what it allows you to do, so here is the important thing. It allows you to dictate what you want in the image and where you want it. So you can see here, I just did a very basic prompt. It also has a prompt generator inside of it as well, but we're going to be skipping over that today. It will help you get better results, but I'll let you play with that. I just wanted to show you how you can direct your images. So really simple, create an influencer taking a selfie in her bathroom mirror. And then what you do is before you generate the image, and we'll go through this live, we'll clear all this out and do a live one, is you dictate what you want to be in the image and where you want it. So I wanted her to be dead center. So here she is, a woman in the mirror taking a selfie photo. I thought it could have a blurry, kind of messy background or messy bedroom in the background. I wanted the bathroom sink, so she's looking right into the mirror. And then maybe the closet door open with some hanging clothes. I don't really know if the room makes sense, but the point is this adhered to exactly what I wanted. I mean, that's exactly what I was picturing when I created the image in my mind. So really cool way to direct your images and kind of get exactly what you want. So let's do one live together. So we're going to clear this out so we can start fresh, right? So this is what you get. So you can also change the aspect ratio. So let's do some influencer type stuff, doing cell phone resolution. So there you go. It's going to be quite large. And you can also add some context and details as well. They also have a number of different style presets that you can just plug and play as well. So on this channel, obviously, we're focusing on AI influencers and kind of the things that people use to get better results for UGC. But this is really cool for a lot of different art, or if you want to create maybe some assets for video games and things like that. But I thought this was really cool that this is all included, 127 styles. So you can check that out as well. Okay, so let's just leave the same prompt we had before, create an influencer taking a selfie in her bathroom mirror. But we'll go through this a little differently and see if we can make it, I don't know, a little bit more realistic, or we'll see what we can do. We'll do one live here. So all you do, and one thing I will note as well before we get started is make sure you have Nodes 2.0 turned off in your ComfyUI install. It was causing a lot of problems with this workflow. I wasn't able to create the shapes and images. It was lagging out. So if you're having issues, that could be it. So make sure you just disable that for this workflow. You may already have it disabled. It's not very popular in ComfyUI anyways. So we're going to drag it like this, and this will be where our influencer is. So let's center it. You're going to double click on that. Our influencer is in the mirror taking a selfie. Say blue eyes, brown hair, red lipstick. Or you know what? Let's do an action. Putting on red lipstick. Let's try that. So you can also add color palettes as well. So if you want a certain tone or shade, we're not going to do that because we're just going to let the AI handle it. So there you go. That's where your influencer is going to show up. So let's have something above her here. Let's create another box. It's really simple. I mean, this is quite fun. I've had a lot of fun playing with it and just kind of being able to really have some creativity. So why don't we make this look really terrible? Maybe it's a terrible influencer. A light bulb hanging by a thin wire, casting an eerie light on the scene. So something like that. Let's try and make it look pretty dingy. So let's add another thing here. Let's say like graffiti, torn wall, right? So the idea is maybe we're going to have it like a dingy kind of nightclub bathroom. She's looking in the mirror. So we've got this weird light bulb hanging on. We've got graffiti on the wall. And then hopefully we're going to see a nightclub in the background there. Let's add one more box maybe. I can just add this, drag it down. Let's add another sink. Sink with stains and cracks. Something like that. Let's make it look really terrible. Create an influencer taking a selfie in a nightclub bathroom mirror. Let's give it a little more context just because we're kind of changing it up a little bit, but should be all good. I'm sure I'm missing something. This workflow is kind of new to me, but let's try it out. We're going to run that. That only takes a few seconds. Well, maybe a little bit longer. I'm running it with a 5090 and 128 gigs of system RAM, just if you want to compare. By the way, while we're waiting for this, you can also run this on your laptop or externally if you have some ComfyUI credits. They do have an API node as well. So if you want to play with this and you don't have the compute like I do, give this a try. I do believe you can do some of the director type stuff as well, but I haven't played with it yet, and you're kind of on your own for that. But today we're focusing on the local model. And of course, if you want to join my community, it is free to join. You can come hang out in the Discord for free. I do have a paid option if you'd like to support this channel. It's $9 Canadian a month. It's not very much. If you want to support this, you do get access to some premium tools and workflow and a private chat. But please come join our community. It's awesome. Lots to learn, lots of cool people there. All right, so this is still loading, so I will fast forward until it's finished. And then we'll see if it actually adhered to our direction. Okay, guys, that is finished. So let's take a look. So what do you think? I think this is really cool, and it kind of demonstrates exactly what I was talking about. So we've got the nightclub in the background with the open door. You got the weird graffiti wall. You got the cracked sink, although that doesn't really make sense. The mirror should be here, but we're picking hairs. We got the lights hanging by a wire, and then she's applying red lipstick. So again, you can look at what we did here. I mean, it's really, really fun. As usual, I don't claim to be the best or know the most. I just want to show you what's cool so you guys can really take it to the next level. So this will be available on smallzero.io, or it's already available on CivitAI if you want to check it out from the original creator. Shout out to him. Deno 2026, and is also going to need to go to his GitHub as well to download these custom nodes. So this was really fun. I hope you enjoy it as well. Let me know what you generate in the comments or show me in the Discord. We have a channel for showing off what you generate. So hopefully I'll see you there. Have a good day.